of the people of Shillong City.
Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma today moved a resolution advocating for the establishment of a winter capital at Tura. While presenting the resolution, Dr. Sangma argued that if cabinet meetings can be held in various parts of the state, then it should not be difficult to designate Tura as the winter capital. This, he said, would ensure equitable and inclusive development for the region. However, several members of the House expressed their opposition, voicing disagreement with the resolution brought forward by the leader of the opposition.
Which is in sync, comprising of the 5 districts of Garo Hills, generated the felt need of creation of winter capital at Tura for ensuring equitable and inclusive development of the region as a whole, which is in sync with the dreams and desires of our founder leaders of the state, with a shared objective of creating a sense of oneness among our 3 major tribes of the state.